Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the Airpods above 50% and enable pairing mode with the case button so Windows can find them. Open Windows 10 settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth, turn it on if it's off. Once done, remove any previous Airpods entries to avoid conflicts. Make sure to restart the Bluetooth adapter from Device Manager so drivers reload. These steps clear common pairing glitches and let you move straight into a clean connection. Now pair and configure audio profiles to fix quality. You add a Bluetooth device and select your AirPods. Wait for the paired confirmation. Next, right-click the speaker icon and open Sound Settings, then explicitly select AirPods for playback so Windows sends audio to the right device. Once selected, go to Control Panel, Sound, Properties, Advanced, and pick a 48,000 Hz stereo format rather than a low-quality codec. This forces better sampling and reduces crackle. Finish by optimizing drivers and disabling the hands-free profile that often downgrades sound. In Device Manager, update your Bluetooth adapter driver and, if available, the audio driver. Then, under Sound Playback, open your AirPods properties and disable the hands-free or headset service so you use the high-quality stereo profile. If you still hear issues, run the Windows troubleshooter and reboot both AirPods and PC. One key tip: if Bluetooth audio drops when you use the mic, switch to a wired mic or USB headset to confirm a profile conflict.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.